Is it important to buy organic? And for some people, when they go vegan, they're not feeling their best on a vegan diet and they're eating all the fruits and vegetables that they can. It's because sometimes those fruit and vegetables have been so heavily laden with pesticides and herbicides that the nutrition is deleted from the produce. When we have GMO seeds, it's in the seed, so you can't wash off or boil out the pesticide. It is grown with it and the nutrition is compromised. It's also doing the thing that they've been designed to do, which is kill the microorganisms, which is what it's doing into our guts. When I went vegan, predominantly it was ethical. So when I started learning about how terrible all of these chemicals were for our soil and how terrible they were for the workers working in these fields, that brought up a vegan question. Are the fruit and vegetables that we get from the grocery store that are full of pesticides, is that even still vegan if it's destroying our planet and killing lives? Is it ethically sourced even? So here's the dirty dozen list, and chances are those are going to have the most chemicals, and those are the ones you really do want to make sure are organic. In terms of juicing, if we're going to be juicing or having it in liquid form, it makes it more important that it's organic. So yes, it is more expensive to buy organic and it is harder to find, but it isn't just an elitist trend. We need to support organic and vote with our dollar. So ideally, we want to be getting a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. We want to get all the colors of the rainbow, ideally, for a healthy microbiome. But if they're not organic, we're not getting as much from it, and it could actually be doing damage to our microbiome. You know, when you're shopping and you see the little bruised apple that's organic next to that big, huge one that's not organic, and it may be the price point difference, I would still go with the little organic one because that's going to have more nutrition and it's going to be healthier for your gut. How gluten fits into all of this, because we lump vegan, organic, and gluten-free all together, is because oftentimes when we have a perceived gluten intolerance, it's actually an intolerance to glyphosates, to the chemicals that our grains are grown in. So in North America, we see a huge amount of gluten intolerance, and not in other countries where they don't use these pesticides, and that's because of our intolerance to the chemical. So ideally, in a perfect world, of course, in my vegan paradise, we can all grow our own fruit forest and have our own microgreens and all the fruit and vegetables we need, but that's not always realistic. So we really do want to be supporting as much as we can organic farmers and encouraging the belief that soil health is directly related to our gut health, and that protecting the soil is a vegan movement. Because without our earth, we have no animals. We have nothing. So we really do, as vegans, have to take that ethical responsibility one notch further if we can, and wherever we can, get organic.